Dictation 90 to 100 word per minute. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, first of all, I must place on record my grateful thanks to the University Grants Commission for the work that they have done for the advancement of higher education. Full stop. They have done good work and in full cooperation with the Education Ministry. Full stop. This, I think, must encourage state governments to establish university grants commissions or committees in their respective states. Full stop. What the country needs most is the coordinated efforts of the autonomous university grants commissions working in harmony with the state governments and university authorities. Full stop. Coordinated efforts are needed to bring about certain uniformity in the standards of university education. Full stop. Without that, our educational advancement is bound to suffer from various tensions and difficulties. Full stop. I do agree with my friend that the annual report under discussion is rather a dull report. Full stop. At least it is not as bright as the two previous reports were. Full stop. In the previous two reports, the University Grants Commission invited the attention of the nation to certain academic problems, to certain educational needs. Full stop. Unfortunately, in this report, the University Grants Commission confines its remarks mostly to what has been achieved in the field of university education under the guidance and with the assistance of the University Grants Commission. Full stop. Para. However, sir, it is not possible for me to agree with Mr. Santhanam that the University Grants Commission should not extend help to universities for the preservation of manuscripts. Full stop. Manuscripts are of great importance so far as university libraries are concerned. Full stop. It is the duty of universities to preserve those manuscripts, and it is the duty of the University Grants Commission to extend to universities the necessary financial assistance for maintaining and preserving the manuscripts in good order. Full stop. Para. Also, it is not possible for me, sir, to agree with my friend that today universities are enjoying too much of autonomy. Full stop. I agree with the University Grants Commission, which 2 years ago remarked that freedom is vital for education and democracy, and I personally feel, sir, that on one plea or the other, university autonomy and academic freedom are being restricted rather than being extended as they must be. Full stop. I do not think, sir, that a social purpose or a social value can be imparted in the teaching by a teacher through the imposition of restrictions on his freedom of thinking. Full stop. I feel that teachers need academic freedom for discharging their duties in an efficient way. Full stop. Thank you.